The ultimate guide to lychee. Origin of lychee. Lychee chinensis is a tropical fruit native to southern China. Its cultivation dates back over 2,000 years, with the fruit celebrated for its sweet, fragrant flesh. Lychee trees thrive in warm, humid climates, primarily found in regions like Southeast Asia, India, and parts of Africa. How to grow lychee. Growing lychee requires a subtropical to tropical climate. Here are the essential steps. Site selection. Choose a well-drained, sandy loam soil with plenty of sunlight. Planting. Lychee can be grown from seeds or grafted seedlings. Space trees about 15–20 feet apart. Watering. Regular watering is crucial, especially during dry periods, but avoid waterlogging. Fertilization. Use organic fertilizers rich in potassium and nitrogen. Pruning. Prune to promote air circulation and remove dead or diseased branches. Seeds to supermarket. Lychee seeds can be extracted and planted or used for propagation. While fresh lychee is often sold in supermarkets, dried or canned lychee products can also be found. Marketing these products effectively involves emphasizing freshness, flavor, and health benefits. Lychee business. The lychee business can be profitable due to the growing demand for exotic fruits. Key considerations include cultivation costs, invest in quality seedlings, irrigation, and pest management. Market research. Identify target markets such as local grocery stores, restaurants, and specialty shops. Distribution. Establish connections with distributors and wholesalers to maximize reach. Lychee marketing. Effective marketing strategies for lychee include social media. Use platforms to share recipes, health benefits, and the exotic nature of the fruit. Local events. Participate in food festivals and farmers markets to raise awareness. Branding. Develop a strong brand identity that highlights quality and sustainability. Lychee in supermarkets. In supermarkets, lychee is typically found in the fresh produce section, often sold alongside other tropical fruits. They can be offered fresh, canned, or frozen. Displaying them attractively can enhance sales. Lychee in restaurants. Restaurants use lychee in various ways. Appetizers. Incorporating lychee in salads or as a garnish. Main courses. Pairing with meats, especially in Asian cuisines. Desserts. Featured in sorbets, cakes, or as a fresh fruit topping. Lychee in culinary. Lychee is versatile in culinary applications. Savory dishes. Used in stir-fries or salads for a sweet touch. Salsas. Adding a tropical twist to grilled meats or fish. Pairing. Complements seafood and spicy dishes well. Lychee health benefits. Lychee is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. Rich in vitamin C. Supports immune health and skin vitality. Antioxidants. Contains polyphenols that combat oxidative stress. Hydration. High water content helps keep the body hydrated. Lychee dessert ideas. Lychee shines in desserts, including lychee juice, freshly squeezed or blended for a refreshing drink. Lychee drink, often mixed with other tropical juices or carbonated for a unique beverage. Lychee smoothie, blended with yogurt or milk for a creamy, fruity treat. Lychee sweets, candied lychee or lychee-flavored gummy treats. Lychee cake, a light sponge cake infused with lychee flavor. Lychee biscuits, delicate cookies with a hint of lychee. Enjoying lychee around the world. Lychee is enjoyed globally, each culture putting its spin on this unique fruit. In China, it is often associated with prosperity and is a popular gift. In Southeast Asia, it's used in traditional desserts, while in Western countries, it is gaining popularity in cocktails and gourmet dishes. Lychee's exotic flavor and versatility make it a fruit worth exploring, whether for personal enjoyment or business ventures. With its health benefits and culinary potential, lychee is truly a delightful addition to various cuisines and lifestyles.